Very clear so far. Now, my question to you is this. Did you actually participate in these stages of the investigation?
That is very impossible because I'm not yet a director at that time.
Okay, that's okay. You do not have any personal knowledge of any investigation, correct?
Nababasa ko lang po sa balita mga pangyayari.
Which is not personal knowledge, correct?
Well, yun lang po yung knowledge natin.
You're a lawyer, correct?
Tama po, 29 years.
29 years. Can you recall Rule 130, Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence?
Can you refresh me, sir?
Okay, I will
Because you have a
gladly
copy.
refresh you, of course. I have here a copy of Rule 130, Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence, and I'll read it. Please read with me, Director Matibag.
For the information and guidance of the senator judges, the document being identified by the witness is unsigned, is not notarized, not under oath, and it is only as to the fact that they used this document in their investigation or as part of their investigation.
The ICC does not require notarization of document.
Noted, but we are not the ICC counsel. Again, we're just placing on the record the factual situation concerning the document that the witness is testifying to for the information and guidance of the senator judges.